What's up, guys, and welcome once again to Forex Success. So, guys, this is crash and boom, trading crash and boom, spike catching strategy. Okay, guys, watch at this. Just watch that. I want to show you crash and boom. This is what you need to catch spike. Just wait for this red moving average to cross below this green line at the oversold level, and then boom, it's a spike. That's it. It works. And guys, what also you need to watch out for is for this black line. Immediately after the spike, you see this black line. Guys, this black line, what it means is that another spike is coming. Yeah, it means you should expect another spike. So, guys, immediately after the black line, you see boom, another spike. You can see. Okay, so that's what I want to show you. Boom, 1000. This strategy works perfectly. I told you guys, move once you see it crosses below. When you move your screen to the beginning and the end, the intersection remains still on the oversold level. Guys, it is a short one. It means it must spike. Guys, check out this. It spiked. A black candle, another spike. You can see it spiked. A black candle, then another spike. You see, guys. So that is it. It keeps on spiking. Guys, I just want to show you one example, like live, so you can see this one. It crossed below, it spiked. Okay, this is how you set the indicators. The first indicator, average directional movement, period 50 style 2 pixel. Use the color of the screen. Positive DI 2 pixel. You can use color green so you understand it better. Negative DI 2 pixel. Color of your screen. You click on done. Next indicator, commodity China index. Then apply to typical price. You can see typical price. Then the star is 2 pixel. You can use light green. The levels negative 100 and positive 100. You click done. Next indicator is the moving average, period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. As you can see on my screen, style is 4 pixel, color red. You click done. Then the next indicator and the last one, which is market facilitation index, volume tick, line width 4 pixel, MFI up, green color, MFI down, black color. The MFI up for volume down, black color. Then the MFI down for volume up is green color, just as you see in my screen. Okay, you click done, guys. You are good to go. You are good to start catching spikes. You see, guys, it works. Catch spikes. Okay, let's check out for. I just need a point where we can just catch one spike, so you see how effective this strategy is. You can see for crash 1000, the conditions are not yet met. It's going up. For crash 1000, it's a vice versa. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it's for the crash 1000, you just have to wait for the red moving average, which is this red moving average, to cross this green line above, just like this point. Then you get a spike. So you can see it's not yet, it hasn't crossed yet. Let's check out boom, 1000, boom, 500 index. Wow, it just spiked. You see it crossed below. Wow. So guys, this is a perfect example. The red moving average crossed below, and then it made a spike. You can see that, guys. It gave us a black line, which indicates another spike. And look, we got another spike. So check out crash 500. Crash 500 just got another spike. You can see, so the moment the red moving average cross above the green line, it's a spike. You can see it crossed above, it gave the spike. So that's how you catch spike, guys. It is a very simple strategy. You can use this to make money. Keep on catching spike. Yeah, so guys, you can keep on catching spike like this. You know the indicators, it's simple. You know the indicators, it's just the average directional movement index, the commodity channel index, the moving average, and the market facilitation index. So guys, you can keep on scalping and catching spike with this strategy. Very simple strategy, guys, for you to catch spike and make money. Okay guys, thanks once again for watching this video. So enjoy your day and make more money scalping and catching spike. So guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that red subscribe button now. Yeah, hit that red subscribe button and make sure you turn on notification so you'll be notified each time we drop a new video. Yeah, each time we drop a new video, you'll be notified each time we drop a new video. So guys, thanks once again and enjoy your day. So guys, you can take profit when, okay, you can also use the 15-minute time frame to analyze the market, to confirm your entry and to know whether to take profit, whether it's going to continue or not. You understand, guys? Like just like this point for crash 1000, you can see it gave a spike here, but checking it at the 15-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame crossed above. So for this point, since it crossed above, it's indicating a sell for the 15-minute time frame. So it's advisable to take your profit after this spike for this crash boom 1000. Checking for this crash 1000, 1 minute, it's going. So the moment this red moving average crosses this green line, guys, we'll get a spike. Check out 15-minute time frame, it's still on the sell. So guys, we are going to get that spike. It's just a pullback, then it will spike. So thanks guys for watching this video and have a nice day. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel.